One of the most challenging things these days is keeping the home's temperature comfortable without getting massive energy bills. Have you run into this problem lately? Temperatures can swing wildly in the North Georgia area, which also swings the energy bills up. At North Pole Air, we understand and are sensitive to that, and our goal is to help you enjoy a comfortable temperature, enjoy clean air, and minimize long-term energy bills. North Pole Air has been serving Flowery Branch, Georgia for 15 years using fully trained and licensed technicians. We handle installation and repair work on all major brands, including Amana, Carrier, and Train, and have great discounted specials running now. So call to schedule your free appointment at 770-932-9952 today, and be sure to visit North Pole Air at northpoleair.com.